Guys, in this video we're going to be showing you how to replace a failed dual start capacitor, dual start assist. We'll also be installing a hard start with it, and I'll show you how to do the procedure we do to install both of these. You start with checking to make sure all power is off. We verified no power, and because I'm an old man, I always dissipate the capacitor. I discharge the capacitor to make sure there's no voltage on it, because the capacitor can hold and store power. At which point I'm going to remove my wires while it's still attached and firmly in place. And we'll remove the old capacitor. Alright, we're going to verify what size it is. This one is a 45.5. We're going to be replacing it with our Turbo 200. Alright, the Turbo 200 will replace quite a few different combinations of capacitors. To make a 45.5, we're going to have to do a little math. The math we're going to do today is a 25 and a 20. When we jump those together, that'll equal out to our 45.5. Using our just a standard 5 on this side. After installing the new capacitor, run our common to our common leg, run our compressor wire, which is our Herm, to our Herm terminal, which is the 45 we made, common wire from your fan to the common on the start assist, and our fan to our 5 microfarad. Pretty simple, guys, and that's basically swapping out a dual start assist. Next I'll show you how to install the hard start.